Hello everyone, this is Mark Fabian. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the Quizlet app to your course in Course Commons. So here I am at the course homepage, and from here I'm going to go to my course settings. And in the course settings you want to look for the Apps tab across the top. When you click on Apps tab, what this shows is different apps that can be incorporated into your course and used throughout the environment within your course. In this case, I know Quizlet is one of them, so if I start typing to search for that, Quizlet will show up here. And notice the text here. This allows me to search for and embed publicly available flashcards and question sets from Quizlet. So what I'm going to do is click on that, and it will give me a further description of the tool. And I'm just going to click Add App. Now that's done. I can look at the ones I have installed. Quizlet shows up here. And now if I go back to anywhere within the course environment, in this case here, I'm just going to go to Modules and create a new page. And we'll call this Quizlet flashcards. Okay, it could be any kind of page, and in fact it could be an assignment, it could be a discussion, so wherever you find the rich text editor throughout the environment, you can incorporate the Quizlet deck. So if I go to edit this item here, it will show me the rich text editor across the top here. And now, because I have added the app to my course, I have a little button on here, the Quizlet button. And when I click on that, what it'll allow me to do is to search for and embed content from Quizlet. So at this point here, I can search on a topic. For instance, if I'm looking for something for my Old Testament class. These can be decks that I have personally created on Quizlet, or they can be ones that are publicly available from the Quizlet community. So you want to be somewhat selective here in the ones that you pick. If there is a particular one that you want to use, and you probably want to make sure that you have that title exactly. And you can always go to the Quizlet website if you want to search through those content or create your own study deck. So that's just Quizlet.com. You can create a free account and set up your own terms and definitions. But let's say I wanted to use one of the ones that's already set up here. I'll just pick one of the ones, Old Testament books. What this does is it will show me what is currently set up for this particular deck. And it looks like it's just the books in order. You can see here that it actually pronounces the pronunciation here. There are different study modes that I can use. If this is the tool, if this is the one that I would like to use in the class, then with one button here, I can embed that. I can have the link, I can have a small version, a medium version, or a large version of that embedded in the course. I'm going to go for the medium version. And when I save that, I will now have that Quizlet flashcard, that particular deck that I searched for, available in here. And students can navigate through it. They can choose different study modes in order to practice that particular deck of options. So if you have a Quizlet, your students probably use it already for questions and study guides that you've given them, or vocab, or particularly when it comes to language learning. If you want to incorporate that content into your course, easy way to do so by adding the Quizlet app to your course, and then wherever you find that HTML editor, whether that's in a discussion, an announcement, a quiz, or usually probably the most beneficial is going to be for a page where you can post this as a place where students can review those terms and then be ready for whatever assessment that they have.